In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to a video meeting using Google Meet. This process can go smoothly once you know the steps, and it's a skill that comes in handy for both professional and personal gatherings. Let's dive right in with the first approach, using Google Calendar to set up your meeting and invitations. Start by accessing your Google Calendar. This is your main starting point for scheduling any upcoming video meetings. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll need to create an event. Think of this as setting the stage for your meeting, so be sure to select the date and time that works best. You can also add a specific title or any necessary details to the event description to keep things clear. Now here's where the invitations come into play. Look for the option that says Add Guests. Clicking on this will open a field where you can enter the names or email addresses of the people you wish to invite. This ensures that everyone on your list receives the necessary link to join your meeting. Once you've added all the guests you can think of, click on Save to finalize your event details. After saving, you'll be prompted with an option to send the invitations. Make sure to hit that send button so your guests are notified and have the chance to RSVP. Now, let's talk about another method to invite people during an ongoing Google Meet session. If your meeting has already started, or if you suddenly need to bring someone else into the conversation, you can still easily add them. Simply tap on the Add People option during the meeting. You'll see an Invite button where you can directly enter the email address of the person you wish to include. This sends them an instant invitation to join the ongoing meeting. There's yet another simple method. If you're in a hurry or if someone prefers a straightforward approach, you can just copy and paste the meeting's link into an email or a chat message. Share this with the person you want to invite. They're just one click away from joining your meeting. It's quick and it doesn't require them to wait for an official invitation email. Remember, these methods offer the flexibility to manage your meetings effectively, ensuring that everyone who needs to be there has the access they need. With these steps, inviting others to your Google Meet is a breeze. Don't hesitate to try these out, and you'll find managing your video meetings becomes a seamless part of your routine. Happy meeting, and see you next time.